Good morning, Primary 4. I'm Miss Inji, your math teacher. Today, we are going to explain a new lesson, which is the triangle. And we will know all the type of the triangle according to its sides and according to its angles. Now, let's start with the type of the triangle according to its sides. But before that, let's remember what is the meaning of triangle. What is the triangle? Next, first slide. The triangle is a polygon. Why it's a polygon? Because it's a closed shape, consists of 3 sides and 3 angles and 3 vertices. The type of triangle according to its sides, we have 3 types. The first type, if all sides of the triangle are equal in length. If this side equal 6 centimeter and this side equal 6 centimeter and that side 6 centimeter. So this triangle will be, what is the type of it? Equilateral triangle. Its name, we took it from equal side, so its type equilateral triangle. Okay? The next type of the triangle, if we have just 2 sides are equal in length. If we have just 2 sides are equal in length and the third different, it means if we have this side 4 and that side 4 and the last side will be 5. So we have just 2 sides are equal in length. We call this triangle, or the type of this triangle will be isosceles triangle, because we have just 2 sides are equal in length. The third type of triangle, as we see now, if we have the 3 sides are different in length. This 3 centimeter and that 4 centimeter and that 6 centimeter. All of them are different. So the type of this triangle will be scalene triangle. This is the type of the triangle according to its sides. Okay, next slide. We must know some properties of this triangle. The equilateral triangle, if all sides, if the all sides of the triangle are equal, so all angles are equal. You must know that the sum of interior angle triangle equal 180. What does it mean? It means that the sum of these 3 angles, if we add them to each other, they must equal 180 degree sharp, not more, not less. Okay? So, we said that the equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles also are equal. So, if these 3 angles, their sum must be 180. What is the measure of each angle? Excellent. 180 divided 3, because they are 3 angles. So, each angle will be 60 degree. So, the equilateral triangle, all its sides are equal in length, all its angles are equal in measure, each angle equal 60 degree sharp. And as we say before, the isosceles triangle has 2 sides only are equal in length, and the scalene triangle has 3 sides are different. Next slide. The other type of triangle is the type of triangle according to its angles. According to its angles. We said before the type of the angles. We have 5 types of angle. But here in the triangle, we care about just the 3 types of angle, which are acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle. Because no triangle has 0 angle, and no triangle has straight angle. It can be. So, the triangle which has just one angle, right, equal 90 degree, the type of this triangle will be right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. And if all the angles are less than 90, this triangle, its type will be acute angled triangle. If all angles are less than 90. And the last one, if we have one angle more than 90, so this triangle will be obtuse angle triangle. Okay, Miss, you said that the right angle triangle had just one right angle. The other 2 angles, what is the type of them? It will be acute angle. The right angled triangle has just one right angle, and the other 2 angles will be acute angle. The acute angle, we said before that the 3 angles must be acute. Okay, so the equilateral triangle, what is the type of it according to its angle? We said before that all angles are equal and equal 60 degrees each one of them. So what is the type of it? Excellent. Acute angle, because all angles are less than 90. In the obtuse angle triangle, we said that it has just one angle more than 90, so we call it obtuse angle triangle. What is the other 2 angles will be? They will be acute angle also. So, in any triangle, we must have at least 2 acute angle. At least 2 acute angle. Okay. Next slide. And this is, we said before, that the right angle, it has just one right angle, and the other 2 angles are acute, and the isosceles and the acute angle triangle has 3 acute angles, and the last one will be obtuse. It has just one angle obtuse more than 90, and the other 2 are acute. Next. And also you must remember that the sum of measures of interior angles of any triangle equal 180 degree sharp. It means if we have this triangle ABC, if we add measure of angle A to measure of angle B to measure of angle C, if we add them to each other, we must get 180 degree. Next. So, any triangle has at least 2 acute angles. Any triangle haven't more than one right angle. No triangle has more than one right angle. And also, no triangle have more than one obtuse angle. In the right angle triangle, we said that it has just one right angle and the other will be acute. You must know that the other 2 acute angle, the sum of them equal 90. Why? Because we said that all angles, the sum of them must be 180. If one of them 90, so the other 2 will be 90 to complete 180. And we said before, the equilateral triangle, all angles are equal in length, equal in measure, and all of them or each of them equal 60 degrees. So the equilateral triangle is an acute angle triangle because all its angles are less than 90. Next. Now, let's start to solve the exercises. Choose. Number 1, the sum of measures of angles of a triangle is sum of the 3 angles of any triangle equal. Excellent, 180. In the triangle, if we have a triangle, its name is ABC. If measure angle A equal 50 and measure angle B equal 60, what is the measure of angle C? We said before that the sum of the 3 angles must be 180. To get the third angle, we must, in 2 steps. First step, add the 2 angles which we have together, 50 plus 60. Excellent, it will be 110. Next step, please subtract 110 from 180. 180 minus 110 equal 70. So angle C equals 70 degrees. If we have a triangle XYZ, measure angle X equals 60 degrees and measure angle Y equals 30 degrees. Then XYZ, what is the type of it? To know the type of any triangle, we must get the third angle at first. We said before that if you want to get the third angle, in 2 steps. First step, add 60 plus 30, it will be 90. Second step, subtract 180 minus 90, so it will be 90 degrees. The third angle equal 90 degrees. So this triangle has one angle 90, other angle 60, the third angle 30. What is the type of this triangle? Excellent, right. Because we have one angle 90. Number 4, any triangle has at least how many acute angles? Excellent, at least 2 acute angles. Number 5, the triangle that has 3 equal sides. If the 3 sides are equal in any triangle, what is the type of the triangle? Excellent, equilateral triangle. Next slide. Now the question, put right for the correct statement and wrong for the incorrect one, and correct the wrong. A, there can be 2 right angles in one triangle. Think, can we find in any triangle 2 right angles? No, we can't, because if we have 2 right angles, the sum of them will be 180. So the third will be how? So we can't find in any triangle 2 right angles. This statement will be wrong. So if we want to correct it, we can say there can be 2 acute angles. Or you can write there can be 1 right angle. You are free. You can correct by 2 by 1 or right angle, change it into acute. B, there can be 3 acute angles in one triangle. Yes, of course, because the equilateral triangle has 3 acute angles. Number C, there can be a right angle and an obtuse angle in one triangle. Can we find an angle equal 90 degrees and the other angle more than 90? No, we can't. So we can correct this statement. There can be a right angle and 2 acute angles. Replace an obtuse by 2 acute angles. Number D, the measure of the straight angle equal the sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle. Remember, the type of the angle. The straight angle equal how many degree? Excellent, 180. And the sum of the three angles of any triangle equal how many? Excellent, 180. So they are equal? Yes, this statement correct. Now we have finished this lesson. If you have any questions, I'm waiting for them. Thank you for listening. Bye.